how to fix Threads login issue. So if you want to fix your Threads login issue, then first you need to check your internet. Switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Threads need strong internet to log in. Update Threads and Instagram. So launch your Play Store or your App Store and search for Threads. Now, if you find any updates on your Threads, you need to just simply go and update it. And make sure to update your Instagram as well because it's linked to Instagram. So you need to go and update your Instagram and Threads. After that, you need to restart your Threads and launch, or just simply go back from the bottom of your screen, close it again, and relaunch it. Next up, you need to log out everywhere and log back in. So you need to log out of your Instagram as well, and then on your Threads. After logging out of Instagram and Threads, you need to tap and hold on to your Instagram, go with the app info, go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache, and do the same thing with Threads as well. Search for Threads, tap and hold on to your Threads application, go with the app info, go with storage and cache, and clear the cache. Now you need to just simply go and restart your device, and after restarting, try to log in back to your Threads, and it will fix your issue. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.